Kawasaki, renowned for its high-speed motorcycles, is making a significant move into the future with its K-Racer project. The project involves the development of unmanned vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) drones designed for cargo delivery, powered by the same supercharged engine used in the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The initial model, K-Racer X1, was introduced in 2021, combining expertise from Kawasaki Motors and Kawasaki Robotics to redefine near-future mobility. The drone is designed to address logistical challenges in hard-to-reach areas, such as mountainous regions, and is accompanied by a delivery robot for seamless last-mile delivery. In January 2024, Kawasaki unveiled an upgraded version, the K-Racer X2, capable of carrying an impressive 200 kilograms, about 441 pounds, of payload. This enhanced capacity sets a record for unmanned aircraft in Japan, opening up new possibilities for cargo transport, particularly in challenging terrains and emergency situations like natural disasters. The K-Racer project aims to provide practical solutions for real-world challenges, offering the potential for delivering supplies to remote areas and supporting rescue operations without endangering human lives.